Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing the Meyer cast iron skillet. This is the product that we have here, and we'll be going through what comes inside this package, how to use this product, how to clean it, and what are the some advantages of using cast iron cookware. So let's talk about cast iron cookware. Cast iron cookware is good for your health and your daily cooking because it has absolutely no kind of chemical coatings or no paint or anything like that. So it is made from 100% pure iron and it is milled from one single piece. So it has no joints, no screws, no rivets or no glues also, which can mix in your food or be harmful to your food. Other than that, it is a very heavy kind of a pan. So especially for Indian cooking, we really need heavy pans because there is a lot of browning and long cooking involved in Indian cooking, and that is why we should always go for heavy bottomed pans so that they conduct heat equally and uniformly. Other than that, cast iron as a product has great heat retention and it heats to a higher temperature also. So it heats to a higher temperature and it stays there for a long time. So once you heat this particular product, you can turn down the gas, save some gas, and it will stay hot for a long time. Now again, that is beneficial when it comes to Indian cooking because there is a lot of browning involved in our cooking. Be it onion tomato masala, be it your meats, be it anything like that, that requires a lot of browning and a lot of prolonged cooking for a long time. So these are the few things that we should take into consideration before getting cast iron skillet and why it is advantageous to our daily cooking. So now moving on to the unboxing part of the video. So we'll open up this package like this. So the first thing that we get in this package is this heat resistant sleeves that will be used to help us handle this product. So now once we open the plastic packaging, the first thing that we see here is the use and care information that we have, all the ways to use this particular product, what it is made of, where it is made, and how you should clean it. So the use and care, which is quite informative and important. Now moving on to these grips that I told you about. Now since this product is made 100% from iron, even the handles will get really hot because as we all know that cast iron heats to a very high temperature. That is why these grips are provided. They have a velcro inside them, so we can just place them on these handles like this, and the other one too. And now what this does is it gives us a lot of room and a lot of comfort to handle the product. Now you can easily lift it, easily move it around. If you're cooking on the gas and you want to finish in the oven, you want to roast something on the pan and then finish the cooking in the oven, you can easily move it using these grips because these grips will not get hot. So this product comes seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. Now what is seasoning? Seasoning is a procedure where we add a layer of oil on our iron cookware so that it does not rust. Now as we all know, iron when exposed to air rusts, and by seasoning you are making a layer of oil between the cast iron cookware and the air. Now this is pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, so out of the box it will not rust, it will not change, it will not do anything to itself. But if you wash it with scrub, soap or hot water, this seasoning will come off and the pan eventually will rust. Now rusting in cast iron cookware is a very basic and a normal thing. So you do not need to be worried about it, and you don't really have to think that my pan has gone bad or something has gone wrong with the pan. It can easily be handled, it can easily be removed, and it can be brought back to the original shape by following some very easy steps. Now I'm gonna link a video for the seasoning and the restoration of cast iron cookware at the end of this video, so do check it out if you are facing that kind of any problems or something like that. But out of the box it will come pre-seasoned and the seasoning will stay on this for a long time, provided you don't scrub it off or use like a lot of detergents and something like that. And another thing that we have to keep in mind is that we do not store this particular product while it's wet. So if you washed it, you can use any kind of scrub because it is a cast iron product. It will last for generations. You can use any kind of metal, wool, spatula or anything like that because it is metal utensil safe. Now once you're done with that, once you're done with your washing, we recommend that you season the product again and you wipe it clean before storing, because if there is water left inside the pan, again water and cast iron do not go that well and it will start rusting. Other than that, cast iron works on every kind of cooktop, be it gas, induction or even ceramic, and it goes straight from the range to the oven if you want to finish your cooking in the oven, like I said earlier. So cast iron is perfect for Indian cooking, and this particular pan, which is a skillet, is really beneficial for Indian cooking because it gives us a lot of surface area to work with. Now as we all know that Indian cooking, we need a lot of browning, a lot of roasting, be it meats or vegetarian dishes. So that is why it gives us a lot of surface area to work with, and it also gives us the height and the capacity of a shallow kadai, let's just say that. So it gives us a lot of volume also, and it gives us a lot of surface area also. So you can properly brown your masalas in this, and you can also add your water and make a curry also in this particular pan. Now this particular pan is a 24 centimeter skillet, which is perfect for a family of 2 to 3, and it comes in various sizes, so you can pick one according to your family size, and this pan will last you for generations and generations to come. So that was all about this cast iron skillet. So we'll be back with a lot of other videos, a lot of unboxing, and we have a lot of new products coming in. So stay tuned for more product videos. Until that time, stay safe, stay indoors and eat healthy.